are A brand. The boots are Charles & Keith. Abercrombie top. Abercrombie jacket. Got gold jewelry. Good morning, guys. It's another day. Just woke up kind of late today. Definitely later than usual, but and a little out of it right now. I'm actually out of Concerta, so which is pretty. Sorry, I'm actually out of Concerta, which isn't great, but I do have some Ritalin, so I'm gonna be taking that. But there's been shortages of Concerta, so currently affected by that, but we'll see. But yeah, Ritalin for me, it's an ADHD med, by the way, if you're not aware. It's really effective for a few hours, and then sometimes I get a migraine once it runs out, and if I don't take more. So we'll see how today goes. But it's beautiful outside today. It's like 80 degrees. I've been waking up every day and trying to I've been doing it at night too, but like making a list of things I'm grateful for. So this morning, I'm grateful for it being nice out today. It's gonna be like high of 80 degrees. It was like so cold like yesterday morning, it was like 35. I'm grateful my little dog slept with me last night. He's such a sweet boy. He's been like really like distant lately, so that was really cute. And yeah, I'm grateful I got a lot of sleep last night. So let's get started. Gonna get started with my day. Gonna take Humpty out and then get started with work. And the fit, this is from Fashion Pass. I'm just trying to wear all my Fashion Pass stuff before I return it. Top is Skims. These are like, I guess, New Balance sweatpants. And the little dog is ready to go outside. Are you ready to go outside? Yeah. I'm outside in the backyard, letting Humpty out, and the birds are chirping. And there's some kind of like gardening going on, but the birds are chirping. It's great news. Spring is here. Okay, so I have a little break between work meetings, and I'm just gonna show you my desk setup right now. I have problems with my arms, and I mentioned that in previous videos, and so I got special like ergonomic stuff. But yeah, I'll just show you my desk setup. So this is my setup. I've got my work laptop, my monitor, my ergonomic mouse. It's kind of gross, don't mind that. But it's kind of wonky looking, but it's so good for my wrist. And then here's my ergonomic keyboard. And I've got a laptop stand. And then my little moleskin notebook for notes, earplugs, because sometimes things feel too loud. Water, cute pictures of family. And then to my desk, and just some necessities in here. Vaseline, of course, pimple patches. Yeah, that's the vibe. I really like the mouse. I highly recommend it if you're working a lot. I think it's like a must-have just to keep your body as healthy as possible, especially if you're sitting all day looking at a screen and things like that. I also have an ergonomic chair. I'll actually link everything down below. Just so you can take a look, but yeah. All right, I've got lunch, just Nando's chicken thigh and some pad thai from this place called Kinda here in DC. Yeah, I thought I was planning to take a little break and get on my personal computer and like just putz around, but I have so much work to do, so I'm just gonna take this up to my desk and work. Just headed out for a walk. I finished work a little while ago. I have tomorrow off, which is awesome. I don't know why. We just have a staff holiday randomly on the calendar. It's not like it's like a federal holiday or anything. But anyway, I'm not complaining. But yeah, just heading out. It's 80 degrees out right now, which is I think like the warmest it's been since, I don't know, since fall or summer of last year. And I feel glorious. It feels amazing. I'm in shorts and like a workout top and just pumped. But yeah, work is fine this week. Busy. I'm doing a lot of work. I've chopped Humpty, come on. Humpty Dumpty, come on. Come on. Anyway, I'm doing a lot of work right now that is a little new to me. So I get really nervous and like worried that I'm gonna get in trouble, I'm gonna do something wrong or whatever. So I've just had some anxiety associated with that. Come on, Humpty Dumpty. But we'll get through it. We can do hard things. Just got ready. We're headed to dinner. Finished working and now gonna go to Motorcat, I think. That's in Tacoma. I'm excited. They have some amazing gnocchi and I'm starving. It's late. My boyfriend had to work kind of late, so we're going out.
Everybody's gonna have crazy violence at an all-time high. Do we have the energy?
Good morning, guys. It's another day. Just got ready. Gonna go pick up my friend. She's visiting from California. We're gonna go to breakfast really quick and then I'm gonna drop her off at the airport. Fit check. 3 people that I got from Depop. These jeans are from A-Brand. I have worn them every time I left the house in this vlog. They're great. All right, y'all, so I'm home. I dropped my friend off at the airport. Jesus. And then I went to go drop off some packages, so I got a lot done. I was very productive. I really just wanted to drive straight home after the airport, but I was like, no, Rachel, you've been putting off these packages for ages. Drop them off. And so then I went to UPS, USPS, and FedEx and dropped them off. And now I'm home. I just took a shower. I gave Humpty a bath. And I'm gonna do laser on my legs and watch some TV. And then there's some like personal tasks I need to get done that are kind of giving me anxiety that I'm putting off. But I'm gonna try to will myself to do them. I'll let you guys know if I'm successful, but it's just hard. It's hard to get myself to do things that I don't want to do sometimes. But I also know that getting it over with will like ease my anxiety. But I don't know. It's hard.
I play it back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over, the way you touching my shoulder. I want back when it's over, the back when it's over. I tried to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Try to walk away, but I'm coming back now. I knew I needed you, but I didn't know how. Why I try so hard. Don't know what to do when it's making me cry. Don't know what to feel, I don't understand why. I needed you.
So I just got back from my morning walk. We went to go get some donuts. Walk Humpty. It's so nice out today. Every time like the weather's nice right now, I'm like, oh my god, spring's coming, winter's over, and then it gets like 35 degrees. Not loving that. I'm just so affected by the weather. It's gnarly, but I'm just going upstairs to get my headphones because I want to edit footage. And then I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's office and get some notes that he printed out because he has a shoulder injury and he's seeing a doctor for it, but not for a minute. So he like downloaded some PT. Anyway, I'm just heating up some water for some tea. My hair's insane. I think I'm gonna make this loose leaf tea. It's from Tea Exotics, which is a tea place in Sacramento, where my boyfriend's from. It's like one of his family friends owns it, so I thought I'd order from them. But yeah, black tea with almonds and almond flavoring. And it's really good. Yeah, so just a little bit of caffeine. I'm gonna get the day started. Just honestly gonna chill most of the day. Maybe get a little bit of stuff done, but yeah. And this is a teapot my boyfriend got me. You put the loose leaf tea in here, and then once it's done brewing, you just pop it down in the water, it goes down. But yeah, It's really good. I definitely I'm happy with just tea bags, but loose leaf tea is, in my opinion, just better. I'm almost out. Get the tea in there. Make sure this is up. The only thing about this tea pot is that it doesn't have actually that much space. I think it's just like 1 cup. There is some leakage coming out now, maybe from use. Or actually no, it's because it's overfilled. Hi! Hey guys, we just stopped watching the F1 and I'm now headed to go volunteer. Gonna go do my shift. I'm meeting up with a friend before at a coffee shop in DC. So it'll be nice to just catch up and do a little bit of socializing because I've really just been spending time alone. So gonna go do that. Just in the car, just got to the area that I volunteer in, and I'm gonna go to Daily Provisions to meet up with my friend. But I was listening to an audiobook on the way here, Leviathan Wakes, which is like a sci-fi book. I used to love sci-fi growing up and also just as an adult, and yeah, I've been trying to like get back into reading. I used to love reading. I studied literature writing in college. And yeah, I just kind of stopped reading once I like started my career and started working, and yeah, but I'm gonna try to get back into it. I do need to get some like real books, but audiobooks work right now, and I'm just using Spotify. I get like a free audiobook or something each month, or maybe 2. I don't know. I think it's by hours actually, but yeah, I'm really enjoying listening to it. I've just been listening to it in the car. But I've been trying to find different ways to de-stress because I haven't been super motivated to do yoga right now, which usually is what I do. I don't know. I've just been feeling a little burnt out at work a bit, and when I stop working, I kind of just want to lay there and watch TV or something, but I need to find different hobbies that are better for my brain. So yeah, trying to get back into reading. If anyone has any suggestions for trying to like restart a habit and stick to it, let me know in the comments because I've been struggling a little bit with that. But yeah, anyway, gonna head out.